Hi, Zach here with Imaging Spectrum, and today we are going to go over storage mode for your Epson SureColor F2100 direct-to-garment printer. Whether you are just replacing the white cartridges or prepping the entire unit for storage mode, this video will help you prepare your unit for any downtime scenario. First are the materials you will need: an empty waste bottle to collect excess ink and cleaning solution, and 6 cleaning cartridges in addition to the one already in the machine. If you are just removing the white ink, then all you need are 2 extra cleaning cartridges, and you will select Replace White Ink instead. Today, however, I am prepping the entire unit for storage mode. Remove the necessary color cartridges from their respective slots, and replace them with the cleaning cartridges. Again, just the whites if you're replacing white ink, and all of them if you're putting the unit into storage mode. I will point out that if you select Replace White Ink, you still have the CMYK option available for printing. Follow the on-screen prompts as the unit will clean the lines and prep your unit for storage mode until you're ready to begin production again. This is a simple process that can protect your unit against downtime, so when you're ready, you will prep the lines and get back to work. Of course, if you have any questions in the meantime, don't hesitate to reach out to Imaging Spectrum for more information. I'll talk to you soon.